Hey, what's up everybody? AdobeMasters here, and today I'm going to be showing you my YouTube channel. Welcome to the channel. Essentially, the channel is all about teaching you all the different Adobe products. I really focus on Premiere Pro. I love video editing, so that's something that hits close to home. I see there aren't a lot of really good tutorials out there that get to the point, so that's what the entire channel is about, is trying to teach you those, get to the point as quick as possible, and then generally just show you how to work Premiere Pro. I also like to focus on the outside realm of Premiere Pro. So I have a couple of, the standard how to add text videos. But I really like the interesting things, how to create whip pan transitions, how to add camera shake when there isn't a camera shake functionality in Premiere. So I like to combine effects and create things that people haven't seen before. If that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and that subscribe button and join me on this journey. The subscribe button is free, and you might learn a thing or two in the future as I release more and more content. So anyway, thank you for coming to my channel, and I hope to see you in future videos.